You sit down, ready to focus. You mean it this time. No distractions, no excuses, just work. For a moment, it feels different. You open the laptop, take a breath, and tell yourself, this is the day I finally lock in. But 5 minutes later, your hand is already reaching for your phone, almost automatically. And the worst part, you notice it. You catch yourself, and you hate it. Because deep down, you know something important. You're not lazy. You're not weak. You're not broken. So why does discipline feel so hard? Here's the uncomfortable truth. Your brain isn't built for discipline. It's built for survival. And from your brain's perspective, discipline is a terrible deal. It asks for effort now and rewards later. Your brain hates that trade. It prefers what's immediate, quick dopamine, easy comfort, zero resistance. That's why scrolling feels natural. That's why procrastination feels automatic. And that's why discipline feels like friction, like you're pushing against something invisible. But most people misunderstand the problem. They look at disciplined people and think they're just stronger. They're not. Disciplined people don't rely on willpower. They design their environment. Their phone is out of reach. Their workspace is ready. Their plan is clear. Because every decision drains energy. Every time you ask, should I do the work? You're already losing willpower. Decision by decision, your brain chooses the easier path. High performers know this. So they don't debate every morning. They decide once, then automate the rest. Same time, same place, same action. Again and again and again. Until it stops feeling like a fight and starts feeling normal. This is the shift most people miss. They try to force discipline with motivation, but motivation is emotional. It goes up, it goes down. It disappears when you need it most. Discipline is different. It's structural. It's built into your system. So if you want discipline to feel easier, stop trying to become stronger. Start becoming smarter. Make good habits obvious. Make bad habits inconvenient. Reduce the number of daily decisions you face. Because discipline doesn't get easier when you become superhuman. It gets easier when you remove what makes it hard. So if discipline has been feeling like a battle lately, good. You're not broken. You're human. But now you know what to fix. Not your motivation, your system. Because when you fix the system, discipline stops feeling impossible. And slowly, quietly, it becomes what you do.